Good morning, children. Now children, today we will do drawing. Now children, your first page was the certificate page. Don't do anything on that page. Now this is the second page. On second page you have made the flower and you have written your name in class. Okay, now you will open the third page of your drawing copy. You will open the third page of your drawing copy. Now children, I have told you we never draw anything on the left side of the drawing copy. Don't draw anything on the left hand side of the drawing copy. For making anything, children, whatever you are making, only you have to make on the right hand side of the drawing copy. So before making, children, first you have to draw your border line. Make border line, children. Use big scale for making the border. Without border, don't draw, children. Without making border, don't draw anything. As you can see, I have made the border. Okay, now children, what we will make today, first you will put the date. First you will put the date and you will put your date here, children, on the line. You put the date. Then you write whatever you are going to draw, you have to write the name. And today we will draw fish. Today we will draw fish. Simply, you have to do simple, neat and clean work, children. Now we will start making. Now children, how to draw fish? For making fish, children, you can take water bottle cap. I have taken one small glass. You can take your water bottle cap, plastic bottle cap or anything that is round. And we will make two fish like this. Just you keep it and very lightly, children, you have to use your hand very lightly. Just see. Can you see, children? Very lightly you have to use your hand. As I have already told you when we were making the first page that children, always draw very lightly. Use your hand very lightly and then you draw. Now after making the circle, what you have to do, children? After making the circle, just see how I am making. Use your hand very lightly. Okay, here you have to make. It is very simple, children. It's very easy. Eyes like this. Then you have to make the mouth. Okay, and you have to make the fins and the just see, children, it is so easy. You have to make circle with the help of you can make it with the help of small bangle, water bottle, small glass or anything, and you have to just make it. Now you have made the fins and the tail. Now you have to just decorate it. Okay, second one also same way you have to make. The mouth and then fins and the tail. Like this you have to draw, children, and then here also you have to make the scales. Okay, children. Now children, you have to make aquatic plants also. Aquatic plants are plants that are in water. You have to make rock. You make rock and aquatic plants. Like this you have to draw. And then you have to make rock also. Now children, will not color whole page blue for water, so we will not do that. So you have to only make small waves, very light. This is small waves you have to make, because we will not color whole page blue for water. So all of you make waves. Okay, children, like this you have to do. Children, we will start coloring. Now what you have to do, as I have already told you, no using a sketch pen, no using crayons. You have to only use pencil color. And I have already told you that Before coloring, children, you have to do the outlining of everything. Okay, you have to do the outlining. So first we will color the first fish, and we will use the color that is red and yellow. Okay, now as I have told you, first you have to do the outlining. This is the lips, the mouth of the, just color it red. Just see how I am coloring, children. Dark color. Okay, and don't color it like this, like this, like this, like this, anyway whatever you want. Just color in one direction. Now first do the outlining of the fish. As I have already told you that doing the outlining is very important. It makes your diagram neat and clean. It gives the finished look to your drawing. Just see, children, do the outlining of everything. You have to do the outlining of everything like this. Okay, now you color this line dark red. You color this line. And children, I have told you in class 3rd you have to do little shading also. So just do it like this. See, okay, and see this side also. You have to do shading in class 3rd with pencil color. Okay, this also you color with red. You have to do shading, children. Okay, now we'll do the eyes. For eyes, use black color. Now we will fill this fish with yellow color like this, very light. Now see, children, how I am coloring. Now you have to only color in one direction. Children, you have to color only in one direction. Just see, do the eyes with black, and you have to do little shading also with red, and then you have to fill this fish with yellow color. Okay, children, just see. Now just I will give little finishing. Just do little dark outlining neatly to give the finishing, to give finishing to this fish. Then we will go on the second fish. Little finishing I am giving, children, because the outlining is not done properly. Okay, children. Now, children, we will do the second fish, and for second fish I am using light blue and pink color. For second fish I am using light blue and pink color. So the outlining I will do with light blue color. Same way you have to do the outlining as I have done in the first fish. Just do the outlining. Children, remember, any drawing will not look good if you will not do outlining. It will not look good at all. So you have to do the outlining. That is very important. Now see, children, I have done the outlining of the fish. Now, children, we will not do the mouth of the fish with blue color, no. So again I am using red color to make the mouth of the fish. So do it with red color. And eyes also, for eyes I am using the black color. So you have to do in the same way. For eyes I am using black color. Okay children, now again as I have told you, you have to do shading children. So you have to do the shading because we are in class 3rd, so learn some new things. Okay, and shading I am doing with light blue color only. Do the shading. Okay children, after doing the shading, we will color this fish with pink color in one direction. Okay children, now we'll color the fish with pink color. You have to use your hand in one direction. Just see, lightly you have to color like this. Don't use sketch pen and crayons children, only you have to use color pencil. Any color pencil you can use. This one is good children, Faber-Castell. This one is good. You can use this color pencil. It has different shades also. Okay, color this. Use your hand in one direction children for coloring. I'm telling you this thing again and again. Use your hand in one direction for coloring. Just see. Use your hands in one direction for coloring. Now see children, when we use light blue and pink color together, it gives a new color, that is purple. And when we mix red and yellow color together children, it makes orange color. So these are the new things children you will learn. See children, now again I am revising. First do the outlining children. First fish I have done the outlining with red color and I have filled the color, inside color I have filled yellow. And you have to do shading also. You have to learn shading in class 3rd children with color pencil and pencil also. And this fish I have done the outlining with light blue and inside I have filled pink color. Okay children, and now we will do the plant and the rocks. Just come down, just see. As I have told you, you will make aquatic plants. Now do the outlining with dark green color. This is very simple children. Keep things very simple. Okay, do the outlining with dark green color. Children, I have done the outlining with dark green color, and now children you have to do the rock also, that is in the water. You do that rock outlining with black color. You do the outlining with black color of the rock. Okay children, I will do the shading. Again this also you just do very light shading like this. You can do the coloring on one side of the leaf, or you can do the shading also. Just see like this. Okay, you can do the shading also, or you can color the one side of the leaf like this. Or you can do the shading also. Rock also, just light shading with black color, very light shading children, just like this. And if you are not able to do children, first you practice in your rough copy. Okay children, now we'll fill the color. Now for filling children, I am using light green color. Just move in one direction and very dark color. Just color a little dark and you fill this. Just see children, this plant children, you have to do the outlining with dark green and inside you fill light green. And for the rock also you have done the outlining with black and inside now you have to fill brown color. Okay children, see I have done children outlining with dark green, inside you have to fill light green, and rock outlining with black color and inside you have to fill which color? Brown. Now just you do little yellow. I have already told you to give a beautiful look. Use little yellow children for the plants also. Okay children, just to give a good look, because when we use yellow now see children, I am using on the side of the leaves and the rocks. Now we will do the waves children. As I have already told you, we will not color whole page with blue color to give water look. It will not look nice children. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Keep things beautiful, simple, neat and clean. So I have told you to make waves like this. Now what you have to do again children, I am using this light blue and dark blue color to make waves. What you have to do, you have to do the outlining of the waves with dark blue color. Just see. And shading from one side. Shading on one side of the waves. Is it clear to you children? You do the outlining of the waves and do the shading on one side of the waves. See children, I have done the waves. I have told you use dark blue color. Do the outlining and one side you have to shade. Do the shading. Okay, now you fill the waves with light blue color like this. Fill the waves with light blue color. Okay children, and then what you have to do, like this. You have to make line on every waves like this. Okay children, now one more thing you have to do children, you have to make bubbles coming out from the mouth of the fish. Okay children, like this you have to make the bubbles coming out from the mouth of the fish. Okay, and then this also just very light you have to fill the color inside. Okay children, now one more thing I'm going to do, I'll just do very light black on everything, like on the fish, on one side, just very simple. If you are not able to do children, then you don't do. If you are not able to do this thing using black, then you don't do children. Okay, like this. And on the plants also. Okay children, if you are not able to do, then you don't do. Otherwise, if you are able to do, some students, few students, if you can do, then you just use little black to complete it. Okay, this is what you have to do children. This is what you have to make. Again I am revising. First, don't make anything on the left side of the drawing copy children. When we only draw on the right hand side of the drawing copy, and you have to draw fish. As I have told you, when you will make children, you can use small bangle, bottle cap, or you can use small glass to make the circle. After making circle children, you have to make it like this. Okay, use very light pencil children. Don't use very dark pencil. Very lightly you draw, and then you do the outlining first. When you will color, first you do the outlining with red, do the shading, then you fill yellow color inside. In this fish, first you use light blue color, do the outlining, then you fill pink color inside. Then you make aquatic plants and rock. Okay, and for the water, to show water children, don't color the page with blue color. It will not look nice at all. Okay, so for making water, you will only make waves, and then you make bubbles coming out from the mouth of fish. So this is what the final look children. This is the final look that you have to do. Now children, do very neat and clean work, make border line neatly and use big scale for making border line. And if you are not able to shade children, first you practice in your rough copy. Okay, if you are not able to shade, then first you practice in your rough copy, then you draw in your classwork copy. Okay children, try it and make it. Thank you.